just gonna edit out the front again anyways. Doesn't matter.
Edit out what?
The beginning.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, there we go. I'll wait for 30 seconds. Hey everybody and welcome. We are doing some unboxings or openings, I guess, of the new Prismatic Evolutions. Got 10 packs here that we're going to be opening. I'm also going to be giving away 2 of them, as well as the promo cards as well. And just stay tuned a little bit there on how to get it. But we will just kind of dive right into it here. Obviously, we are looking for the EV packs. But I will take any good cards here. All right, we're going to do the one and start. Got a shiny energy. Trainer. Honey, Friends in Paldea, Bronzor, Briar, Professor Sada's Vitality, Bronzong. Okay, is the first. Second, come on. Okay, no such luck. All right, that's all right. Got plenty packs. Just put on those aside. On to the next. All right. Another energy, doesn't look like it. Get these out of the way. All right, let's see here. Professor's Research, Badoo, nice, Monterey. Little Hippo Man, Crispin, Trainers, Shaman, some more Trainers. Oh, I thought I saw something. Bug Catching Set. Okay, last one. Ooh, there's an Umbreon. Not the one I'm looking for, but I'll take it. I'll put that one aside for now. These aside and get rid of the energy. Nobody likes energies, and we'll just put Umbreon right there. All right, and as far as this giveaway, again, we've got two boosters that we're going to give away, as well as the promo cards. So I will do that giveaway. We'll run it for about 5 days. So it is currently the 17th of January. We'll run that until the 22nd, end of day 22nd. To enter that, all you need to do, just go ahead and make sure you are subscribed, of course, and leave a comment of your favorite evolution. Favorite evolution. I am quite fond of the Umbreon myself, but I will take any of them right now. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'll take an ancient card. Spritzy. And I wouldn't say, alright, well, no big ones yet. That's alright. I do like that one, though. That ancients look pretty cool. I do like the ancients. Almost halfway done. Always worried I'm going to bend these cards when I'm opening these. Alright, here we go. I'll do the one. Although I guess if it's the EV pack, that wouldn't really make a difference. I feel like I would know it. Basic Energy, another shiny here. Alright, some more Trainers. Badoo. Future card. Alright, ooh, an ancient, okay. Come on, give me something good. Slowpoke. Come on. Ah, darn. Alright. It's alright. Got a couple more. So far we're striking out. let's see here. The other one. Maybe I shouldn't flip it over. Maybe leave the energy in the back. Our guitar. Black Belt's training. Execute. Beat ran. Rescue board. Alright, come on. Give me something good. Switch research. Shaman. Oh, come on. Well, there's a Flareon. I'll take that. Umbreon and Flareon. Nice. You guys can see those. And again, not the ones we're looking for, but I will take any and all. It looks like my cat is trying to eat the chair. Actually, let's just keep it like that. Let's see if that makes a difference. Crimson Paldea. Bronzor. Frown. Another future card, nice. Shaman.
Yeah.
Ogre's Mask. A Poffin. Come on. Bronzor, give me something good. Oh, and a Vaporeon. Alright, I'll take it. And then a Shiny Energy. Now we're up to 3 different evolutions here, but again, not the ones that we want. That's alright. Still got a couple. We got 4 more. I'm feeling good about this one. This is the one. Let's just try not flipping them. That is not an Eevee. Alright, that's alright. Stuff. Okay, well there's an Eevee. I'll take it. Not the one I want. Techno Radar, nice. Another Ancient. I feel like I had this back. Very Skill. Dreepy, come on, something good. Oh, let's go. And nobody cares about that. There's the first one. Nice. Get that in a sleeve. And a top loader. Grab one of those. Not too bad, I'll take it. First of hopefully many. Alright. Let's put that one there. I'm running out of room already. Alright, let's see. Ooh, that is. Let's do that side. There we go, that looks better. Let's see if we can get the back-to-back. Alright, there we go. Okay. Another Ancient. Rescue board, come on. Oh, there's another Umbreon that we had. Escanar, come on. Groudon, alright, I'll take a Groudon. And Energy. Not bad. I'll always take those evolutions. We've got more than these 10 packs, but we'll just do 10 at a time for now. We'll space it out a little bit. Let's see here. Come on. Bronzor. Ancient. Okay. Come on. Ooh, okay. Prime Catcher. Dunsparce. Come on. Oh, Espeon! Let's go! And the Energy, who cares? Ooh, that's what we're talking about. That is what we are talking about. And the top loader. Ooh. Alright, first of them. Nice. So, Espeon. Nice. those there, and then let me get one for this. All right, and I do like putting these in top loaders too, even though they tend to not be worth much, which most of these will just stay in a collection, so I'm not worried about it. All right, I'll put this one aside. All right, last pack here. Try not to make these too long. And again, for that giveaway, we'll run it for 5 days, so the 22nd of January. Just make sure you are subscribed and comment your favorite evolution. And I will pick somebody at the end of the 22nd and message them. There we go, 2 people, I guess. We're going to do 2 of them, so we'll message 2 people. If this does well enough, maybe we'll go for 3. Who knows? Come on, give me the back-to-back. That does look pretty cool, though. And energy. Nobody cares. Cool. All right, well, we got a couple of regular evolutions I'll take. The Espeon, though. The big ticket that we were looking for. 1 down, a couple more to go. Cool. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Again, make sure you subscribe, leave the comment, and here in a couple days, we will reach out and give away some booster packs. Thanks for watching.